getting dry now. Walking around with like Kyle. All right, ready? You recording? Okay. Okay. Welcome back, everybody. Jesse with Jesse's Performance here. Today we have a special episode for you, something like we haven't done before. Basically, I had told everybody at the beginning of the year we were going to do our very, very best to collaborate with those near and far. So why don't you check out this badass video Stacie put together of us putting the roll cage in the Burn Bird at Dashbuilt. Here in Fort Worth. He's a buddy of mine, Spenser. He's a really good guy. He does a lot of precision fabrication, way better than me at the, I got a loose tape measure. That's what I use. So check it out and tell us what you think. Folks, there it is. Again, a different video than we normally do. Hopefully you liked it. Huge shout out to Spenser over there at Dashbuilt. He was a huge helping hand on getting this cage done. I learned a couple things. I think maybe he learned a couple things from me. Maybe not, I don't know. But you know, make sure you stay tuned, follow the build, do all that stuff. Also, we have new hoodies. 3 new designs: Trans Am, Trans Marrow, and Nasrod. JessieStore.com. Check them out. Buy them out. Let's go.
You better stop moving.